Detective Superintendent Grace, you a dabbler in the dark arts?
Pendulum never lies, right?
I don't get it. What do you see in him?
Upstairs, don't care for anything you can't put next to a tick box. I met Sandy in Brighton. We fell in love here. We got married here. I lost her here.
People don't just disappear.
They all mean something to somebody. Where's Michael? Fathers, sons, mothers, daughters.
I thought this was about preservation of life.
What you think does not matter anymore. This was never your case.
I'll find her.
No, you won't. You're done.
You didn't know.
It's my job to know.